Gotta put the flex plate on now. And remember, there's an engine side, and it actually says right on it. Just gonna put some little bit of red Loctite on these threads. And these have to be torqued down in a 3-part series. So I'm going to go 15, 40, and then 74 foot-pounds. And I'm just going to use an impact in the lowest setting to get them in. Just a small dab of red Loctite is all I'm doing, because I don't want to go crazy. Because I seen how hard these bolts came out. Like I said, just put it in on the lowest setting. I'm gonna have to boost it up a little bit for that one. First pass, 15 foot-pounds. I really could have tightened them up a little bit more, to be honest. There. I'm doing 40. Just using a pry bar to jam the flywheel. All right, last pass, 74 foot-pounds. They're all tightened down. Remember, it's a 3-stage process to make sure that it's all torqued down evenly and properly. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.